Hi, good morning, caterpillars. I'm so glad you're joining me for calendar. Our month is March, March, March. Our days of the week Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Tuesday begins with the letter T. This is the letter T. Can you think of something else that begins with the letter T? The Tuesday, turnip, table. Those are objects that begin with the letter T. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our pattern is AABB this month. So we have butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. Butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. Butterfly today. Good job. The weather yesterday was a sunny, so I did add another sunny. So our graph, we have 3 sunnies, 1 cloudy, and 2 windies. What is the weather like at your house today? This week we are talking all about farm animals, and so I need your help this morning. Our animals have escaped their barn, and it's time for them to get fed. So I need to sort these animals by beginning sound into the correct barn. I have H, which says C says k, k, D says d, d, and G says g, g. Where would I put this cow? What sound does k, k, cow begin with? Is it an H? Is it a C? Cow. It is a C. Cow begins with the letter C. How about donkey? Where would I put this donkey? Is it an H? No. Is it a C? No. Is it a D? D. It is donkey. Good. How about this goat? Where would I put the goat? H? No. What about the G? Goat. Good. I would put them in the G barn. And horse goes in the H barn because H says like horse. Today the cows are covering what numbers? 1. Good. And what number comes after 7 but before the number 9? 8. It is the number 8. 7, 8, 9. How many hens do you see? Oh, good job. There are 5 hens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yesterday we started talking about numbers and if we're taking away or hiding some, trying to hold on to that number and deciding how many are inside of something. So we started holding on to the numbers yesterday, and animals went hiding into the barn, and we still had to decide how many animals there were. Let's play that again today. Today there are 7 hens. So remember that number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, close those eyes. Let's see how many hens disappear into the barn. All right, there are how many out right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's my 7 fingers. I have 7 of them, but I can see 5. So I'm going to just put down 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many should be hiding that I did not count? 2. Let's see if we're right. There is. There are two hiding in the barn. Let's do this one more time. I have donkeys today. I have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so hold on to that number. That's a 5 and a 1. That's 6. Okay, close those eyes. Open. All right, so I had 6. I see, count how many do you see? 3. So let's put down 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? So let's see if 3 are hiding. 1, 2, 3. Nice work today, guys. What's a word that rhymes with this picture? This is a hen. What's a word that rhymes with hen? Pen, men, len, hen, ben, ken, when. Those are all words that rhyme with hen. So Miss Cochran is super picky and she needs your help deciding how these objects are alike. Sometimes objects might have the same beginning sound. Sometimes some objects might have the same middle sound, and sometimes some objects might have the same ending sound. So we're going to try to decide what I am looking for. I'm going to go yes or no. Okay, so I need your help. Hen. Let's see if Miss Cochran wants it. Hen. Yes, please. All right, so she is looking for a hen. H-N. Let's see if she would like this moon. Yes, please. Ooh. So let's think about those objects. H-N, moon. Are they alike in any way? Hen, moon. Let's keep going. I'm going to try this cat. Would you like the cat? No, thank you. All right, so she said no to the cat. Bun. Let's see if she wants the bun. Yes, please. Bun. H-N, moon, bun. Let's start thinking, are those words alike in any way? Use your arm slides to help me figure it out. Do they have the same beginning sound? N, no. Do they have the same middle sound? Do they have the same ending sound? All right, let's see. Pan. Would you like the pan? Yes, please. Oh, another thing added. Hen, moon, bun, pan. Is there a sound in all of those words that is the same? What do you guys think? Let's see if she wants that donkey. Do you think she'll want the donkey? No, thanks. I wonder why she didn't want that donkey or the cat. Let's see if she wants this pin. This is a pin. Would you like the pin? Yes, please. All right, so now we have our objects. Are they alike in any way? I'll give you a second to think about these words, okay? Hen, moon, bun, pan, pin. Can anyone figure it out? Let's see. If you said they all end in the same sound, you were correct. If you said they all ended with the N sound, you were correct. Now listen to these words. Use your arm slides to help me. Okay? Hen, moon, bun, pan, and pin. Did you hear that sound? N was at the end of all of those words. All right, can you draw me an object that ends in N sound? That's your task today. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.